take two without the clapping. What's up, YouTube? My name is Victoria, and as you can see, my hair has gotten very long and it's very curly, but just right now it's not. But it needs to get out of my way. And you see, like, stuff like this. Yeah, it's annoying. So what I like to do is, because I'm getting really hot, because I just did like an unboxing, and since it's so long I have to clean up, and it's like it's stuck like right here and like here and just annoying places, I'm going to do a pineapple. I don't like to sleep with my hair up. I sleep with it down, but let me stand up straight. But I'm kind of like squinting because I'm going to put it up right now. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how I put up my hair. So yeah, it's like really long. So what I do is usually just take it all up and make sure that my glasses are not stuck in the curls. And I kind of just like, I don't know, make sure everything's all situated. I'm trying to look in the mirror and in the lens, and also make sure everything's on camera. So I trimmed my hair myself, but literally like a nail's worth. Maybe 2 weeks ago. So after Cyber Monday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so in my Ulta Cyber Monday haul, you can see how much hair I snipped. It's not a lot. So now that my hair is all, you know, it feels good and it's up and even, what I do is, with the hand that I always write with, my right hand, I'm going to make sure that my hair tie is on that hand, and I'm going to take my hair into the ends so I could feel the ends, and then I flip the ends up, and this is a loop, and then so I grab the front of the loop while bringing the loop to the back, and I'm going to kind of tuck it into the band. And then my thumb is there, so I like to fan out my curls and kind of just like plop them and place them around. I was teaching you, so it's gonna look crazy because I was teaching you. So let me just make it look kind of semi-normal. Okay, so let me just do it real quick. It's really freaking long. So what I've been doing is like oiling my scalp and massaging it, and also not using a lot of hairspray and a lot of products. But I just bought hair products because my hair has gotten really long and yeah, I don't know what to use. So yeah, I just kind of like mess with my baby hairs, make sure none of my curls are off my scalp all weird. And yeah, see these long pieces? They just gotta go. I gotta get a haircut. These hairs, I just like find the loop back here and I tuck them in, and I can't see it, so I don't care what other people think, to be honest. But sometimes I will do like a mirror check. How am I looking? guess. Roll them up. And voila. Just fix your baby hairs. And you are all good. So I cannot sleep like this because when I do sleep like this, it's pulling like right here, and I don't like that. Or mostly I do sleep on this side, and I don't know, I guess it's pulling right there. Actually, it hurts more like when I go like that. I don't know. I don't like to put my hair up a lot. I wear a lot of hats. I mean, I don't wear like a lot of hats. Like, I'm not a hat collector, you know what I'm saying? But I do feel comfortable when I'm doing art and hat. I just feel like focused. But yeah, that was just a quick tutorial on how I do my quick little pineapple bun. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.